Okay, so refitting. To remove seals, use a soft tip plastic tool so as not to damage the body. Refitting is a direct reversal of the last operation. Follow the instructions provided with the seal kit to fit new seals. Okay, take a new set main seals, part number 1191090000. Top seal fits in under the handle stem and then can be pushed home into the top of the valve body. Next the ball, making sure that the pilot hole is mounted at the base. So, and finally the base seal. Note with these new base seal kits there's a lip on the seal to hold it in place. Okay, that's the valve reassembled. Check operation. Refit gauze. And refit circlip using circlip pliers. Make sure circlip is fully engaged in the recess. Finally, refit cap, making sure PTFE seal is in place. Valve can now be remounted on the tank.